How to change aspect ratio in Canva. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your Canva and then select the picture in which you want to change the aspect ratio. So I'm going to change the aspect ratio of this picture. In order to be able to change the aspect ratio, you have to update your Canva to its Pro version. With that, you'll get this option of Resize and Magic Switch. Click on this option. Now over here, you're going to get tons of options. You can click on See All. So here are tons of options given. You can select any of these, or also you can hit back. You can also browse by category, you can see that. Or also you can click on this option of custom size and then type in your own aspect ratio and lock it. For now, I'm going to choose Instagram story. Once you select it, you can click on continue. Click on copy and resize. Now click on open your story. And with that, your photo will be ready. So this way you can easily change aspect ratio in Canva. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.